So next one, observe 40 problem. A1, A2, A3 so on are real numbers, not in AP, not in GP, not in HP, not mentioned, but given A1, A2, A3 so on terms are in real numbers, and first term A1 is equal to 15 given, and one condition A2 is satisfied 27 minus 2 into A2 is greater than 0. 27 minus 2 into A2 greater than 0, and first term A1 is equal to 15 given, and one more condition AK is equal to 2 into AK minus 1 minus AK minus 2. This is another one condition is there. What is the K values here? K is equal to 3, 4, 5 up to 11. Okay, and A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square plus so on A11 square by 11, that is equal to 90 given. Okay, so these are information. What is asking? A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus so on A11 by 11. What is the result? Asking that one. So here given so if you take K is equal to 3, A3 is equal to 2 into first we have to simplify this one. AK is equal to 2 into AK minus 1 minus AK minus 2. So this negative term transfer this side, AK plus AK minus 2 is equal to 2 times of AK minus 1. So 2 transfer this side, AK plus AK minus 2 by 2, that is equal to AK minus 1. What is the meaning of this one? So AK minus 1, that is equal to AK plus AK minus 2 by 2, means AK minus 1, AK minus 2 are in arithmetic progression. Why? Because this is arithmetic mean lies between AK and AK minus 2. Now say this, if you take as K is equal to 3, A3 plus A1 by 2, that is equal to A2, 3 minus 1, 2. So A2 is arithmetic mean lies between A1 and A3. A2 is arithmetic means lies between A1 and A3. Means what is the meaning here? So A1, A2, A3 so on are real numbers are given. So these real numbers are in AP. So are in AP. Are in AP series. Why? Because this condition, from this condition A1, A2, A3 so on A11 or AN are in AP like this. Okay, so here given 11 terms only, so A11 are in AP. So and A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square, like this condition is there. So here A1, A2, A3, A4 so on are in AP. This is first term. So let taken as here A1 is equal to A, A2 is equal to A plus D, A3 is equal to A plus 2D, like that. Okay, now taken as A1 is equal to A, A2 is equal to A plus D, A3 is equal to A plus 2D, like that. A11 is equal to A plus 10D, like that only. Okay, and A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square plus so on A11 square by 11, that is equal to 90. This one only given. A1 square plus A2 square plus so on A11 square by 11, that okay, that result is 90. So transfer this side, A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square plus so on A11 square, that is equal to 990. Okay, now see this here, A1 square, what is A1? A square. Here A2 means A plus D whole square. So A plus 2D. A3 means A plus 2D whole square, like this. Next one A plus 3D whole square, A plus 4D whole square, so on A plus 10D whole square, that is equal to 990. Okay, A square, first term is A square, second term is A plus D whole square, third term is A plus 2D whole square, plus so on, like that. 11th A plus 10D whole square, that is equal to 990. So here So a square we get how many times? Here 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, means total 1 to 10 times. Here left another one means 11 times, we get 11 times. Okay, and d square here 2d square, 3d square, 4d square. So that is also we get how many times? 10 times. So d square is 10 times. Okay, and here square is there, so this is in the form of a plus b whole square. This is also a plus b whole square, this is also a plus b whole square. Means if you expand to 2ab form is there, here 2ad, here 2 is there, 4ad like that, here 6ad, 8ad like that. Okay, so clearly if you expand one or two terms, a square plus this is a square plus b square plus 2ad plus here a square plus 4d square b square plus 4ad. What is next one? Cube. If you taken as a plus 3d whole square, a square plus 9d square plus 3 to 6, 6a plus one last one, this one, a square plus 100d square plus 28, that is equal to 990. Understood this one? This is a square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so if you take an as a plus 3d means a square plus b square 3d, so 6ab. Here this one, a square plus b square means 100d square plus 2ab, 2 into means 20 into 80, 28, 2 into 10 into 8. So that is equal to 919. Observe clearly this one. So here, so a square how many times already we discussed. So here a square, here 1, 2, total 10 only, 10, here to here 10 series, 10d, 2d, 1d, here 1d, 2d, 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d, 7d, total 10d, means 10 times, here 1, total 11 times, 11 a square plus d square. Now observe here d square plus 4d square, next one is 9d square, so up to 100d square. Okay, so by taking common d square, what is here? 1d square, here 4. Okay, means clearly 2d square. So this is 1 square, this is 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Easily clearly we get 10 square plus 1, 10 square. Understood? A d square, 4d square means 2 square, 2 square. Next one is 3 square, 4 square, here 10 square, 10 square. Okay, next one 2ad. By taking common 2ad, 4ad, 6ad, 20ad. Okay, so by taking common 2ad, 1, here 2 times, here 3 times, 3 plus 4 times, like that only up to 20 means 10 times. Okay, that is equal to 990. Understood this one? 2ad, 4ad, 6ad, 8ad, 10ad, 12ad, 14, 15, so sorry, not 15, 16, 18, 20ad. So by taking common 2ad, this is 10 times, so this is 3 times, 2 times, 1 times, like this only. So we get clearly this one. So here 11 into, what is a value? 15 given, 15 square plus d square into, already you know it, one formula. Okay, so sum of 10 natural numbers, sum of the squares of 10 natural numbers, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, sum of the squares of 10 natural numbers, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 2 into a means 15 into d. Sum of first 10 natural numbers, how much? 55, 55. 10 into 11 by 2, 55, that is equal to 990. So here 225 into 11, 225 into 11 plus d square into 10 into 11 into 21 by 6. So 3 table, 3 2s are 3 7s, 2 1s 2 5s, plus here 30d into 55, that is equal to 990. 30d into 55, that is equal to 990. So here 225 into 11 plus d square into 55 into 7 plus 30d into 55, that is equal to 990. So 55 table was 55 5s, 25 27 కదా. So okay na, 11 by taking common 11 common చేయండి. By taking common 11, 225 plus d square into 11 5s, 5 into 7 plus here 30d into 5, 11 5s, that is equal to 990. Okay, so 11 table how many times? 9 times, 90 times. And one more, next we have to by taking common 5 also. Okay, so by taking common 5, 5 4s 20, 5 5 is a 25 plus d square into 7 plus 30d is equal to 90, equal to 90. So 5 table how many times? 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40, 18 times, 18 times. So next one, d square, 7d square plus 30d plus 45 is equal to 18. 18 transfer this side, minus 18 equal to 0. So 7d square plus 30d plus how much here? 20, 25, 27 equal to 0. Okay, now resolve into factors. 27 7s, 7 7s 49, 7 2s are 14, 14 1 89. So product of, consider two numbers, product of two numbers is 189, whose sum is 27. Seven, 7, which one? So 21 9s, we get 21 9s, 189. So sum of these two numbers is 30d. So here 7d square plus 21d plus 9d plus 27 equal to 0. So by taking common 7d, d plus 3. Here by taking common 9, d plus 3, that is equal to 0. So d plus 3 into 7d plus 9, that is equal to 0. So either d plus 3 is equal to 0 or 7d plus 9 equal to 0. So here d value is how much? Minus 3. Here d value is minus 9 by 7. But given which one is correct one? D. So here given one condition, which one? 27 minus 2a2 is greater than 0. 27 minus 2a2 is greater than 0. So 27 minus 2 into, if you take a2 means a plus d. Okay, d value, if you take d is equal to minus 3, 15 minus 3, 12, greater than 0. So 27 minus 12 to 24 greater than 0. So 3 greater than 0, yes, satisfied. Okay, so d is equal to minus 3 is satisfied, this is not satisfied. So taken as d is equal to minus 3, a is equal to 52. Verification, so this one or this one. So we have to do verification given condition. 27 minus 2a2 is greater than 0. So this value is substitute here, verified. If you correct, this is correct one. If not correct, not getting this one, So that is not a correct option, like that only. Okay, so here D is equal to minus 3, A is equal to how much? 15. What is asking? A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus so on A11 by 11. Yes, A1 plus A2 plus so on A11 by 11. What is the result? So here A plus A plus D plus A plus 2D, like that. A plus 10D by 11. So here 15 plus 15 minus 3, how much? 12 plus 12 minus 3, 9 plus so on, like that. Last term is how much? Or apply sum of 10 terms, sum of 10 terms in AP. Okay, no. Apply direct formula. Sum of 10 terms, 10 by 2 into 2A plus 9D. 10 terms, first, second, third, up to, sorry, no, 11 terms. Sum of 11 terms, not 10 terms, 11 terms. 11 by 2 into 10, like this. By 11. Okay. So 11 11 cancel. 1 by 2 off by taking common 2, A plus 5D. So here, so A is equal to how much? A is equal to 15 plus 5 into, what is D value? Minus 3. So 15 minus 15. So the final answer is 0. We get final answer 0. Here taken direct formula. Okay, total 11 terms, sum of 11 terms, n by 2. N by 2 of 2A plus n minus 1 into D. 11 by 2 of 2A plus 11 minus 1 into D means 10D by 11. 11 11 cancel, 1 by 2. Again here 2 is common. So by taking common 2. So clearly we get result is 0.